Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where File Explorer is slow to open on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, restart File Explorer. Now, how would you do that? So, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution is to restart your computer, which will eventually restart a lot of processes. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply and then on OK and then restart your system. And finally try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.